So here we have a tricky problem. So if x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared multiplied by y plus the square root of 1 plus y squared is equal to 1. Also forgot to write down, given that x and y are real numbers. So what is x plus y squared equal to exactly? Well, let's actually solve this. I'm actually going to be using a different color. I wrote the question in pink, which I'm holding a pink marker, so I'm going to use purple for this one this time. Let's drop my stuff. Okay. And my chair's in the way, so okay. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually do a substitution. So we're going to let u equals the x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared. And you could do this the same thing too if you wanted to say u equals y plus the square root of 1 plus y squared. Like the methods and procedure is going to be the same thing when we're solving this. So we're gonna substitute u for this instead. So u is equal to x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, so now we have that. So we can rewrite this as u multiplied by y plus square root of 1 plus y squared equal to 1. Then we can divide it by u on both sides. So we get y plus square root of 1 plus y squared equal to 1 over u. Then subtract y from both sides. So we get square root of 1 plus y squared equals 1 over u minus y. Then we can actually take, square both sides so the square root cancels out, and then we actually get a perfect square binomial on this side. So we get 1 plus y squared equals 1 over u minus y squared. And let's actually expand this out. So 1 plus y squared, and then this will be 1 over u times 1 over u is 1 over u squared. Then 1 over u times negative y is minus y divided by u. Then do it again a second time, so that's this two quantities, so it's minus 2y divided by u. Then minus y times minus y plus y squared. And notice that the y squares cancels out from both sides, so we get 1 equals 1 over u squared minus 2y u. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is we can actually solve this for y now. So I'm gonna move the 2y divided by u to one side and then subtract the 1 to the other side. So we have 2y divided by u, which is equal to 1 over u squared, and then subtract the 1. So, and now we can actually multiply u to both sides of the equation so that we can actually solve for y on one side. So this will be multiply u to both sides. This will be 2y equals u divided by u squared, so that's 1 over u, then minus u. And then we can divide 2 to both sides, so now we have y is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 1 over u minus u. So that's what we have, y is equal to this. So now let's substitute back for, we have that u is equal to x plus the square root of 1 plus x squared. So for now, let's actually focus on 1 over u. So we substitute back 1 over u, this is equal to 1 over x plus 1 plus x squared. But we don't want to have a, we don't like to have a square root on the bottom. So what we can do is we can actually multiply its conjugate on both the numerator and the denominator. So we have x minus the square root of 1 plus x squared for both the top and the bottom. And that would give us x minus 1 plus x squared, then divided by, so if you FOIL this out, we get just x squared, then x times minus square root of 1 plus x squared, then square root of 1 plus x squared times x, they cancel out, and then square root of 1 plus x squared times minus square root of 1 plus x squared, they cancel out, so it's minus parentheses, I'm gonna write it that way, 1 plus square root or not square root, x squared. And so both the x squares from the denominator cancel out, so we're just left with x minus square root of 1 plus x squared divided by -1. And so I can just change the ordering here. So this will just be the square root of positive square root of 1 plus x squared minus x. Yeah, and that is written for 1 over u. So we can substitute back y is equal to 1 over 2 times, I'm going to write another parentheses to substitute that back in. So 1 plus x squared, oops, minus x, then minus u again. So put in our parentheses, plus square root of 1 plus x squared. Okay, and then if you take a look closely, this actually, all the terms from inside the bigger parenthesis actually cancels out. Square root of 1 plus x squared minus square root of 1 plus x squared, 0, minus x squared, minus x squared. I take that back, my bad. It's only the square root of 1 plus x squared that cancels out. Not the whole thing becomes 0. That's apologies for that. Which is actually equal to 1/2 times minus x, negative x minus x, which is negative 2x, and then it will just be simplified to negative x, which is equal to y. Looky, y is equal to negative x squared. So now the question we're being asked is, what is x plus y squared, equal to? Well, x plus y squared, we solved for what y was negative x, so we just substitute that back in. We get 0. So therefore, we can conclude that x plus y squared is equal to 0, like so. And that's how you do it.